Alright, this is the wagon. I'm going to put the guide coat down and then I'll wait a couple days before I sand. I want it to be really dry. It's cold today, so I still want the Featherfill to cure for a while, although it is completely dry at this time. Featherfill, the can I checked, it only calls for 4 to 6 hours of dry time. It's been well over 24 hours. So I'm going to apply the guide coat now. So I always missed the guide coat on in rows. I try to use a decent amount. I was always instructed to use lots of guide coat because that's how you get straight panels. Sand it off, wipe your panel down, and spray it again. My heater's running. The wagon is finally in primer and guide coat. Alright, so I spent about 4 hours out here sanding the initial coat of Featherfill, and I found a couple new dents, so I went ahead and put some filler on them. I'm going to put some guide coat on the filler now, and then I'm actually going to seal some bare metal spots that I found, or that I ended up making, and then I'm going to spray some more filler primer on the car before I sand more, because I think it was really thin on the doors, and I got down to the sealer real quick on the doors, but not really anywhere else. As you can see, a couple little spots of bare metal. So I want to reseal those and just lay a couple heavy coats of filler primer back on the doors. I have not sanded the roof yet. I know there's a dent around here somewhere. I've sanded everywhere except for the roof. I want to knock these filler parts out and then do a light coat, a light spot coat of sealer, and then respray my Featherfill nice and heavy. All right, real quick, this is the first filler needs since I filler primered the car. So I found a few little dings, just going around patching them up. The worst part was this fender. I could see this was a newer fender. I could see these when I first got it. There was a kind of deep one here, and then maybe a minuscule one right here that I'll need to fill. This one I actually completely missed for some reason, and then it looks like this needs to come out just a little bit, so I'll skim coat, you know, this, put a nice patch here, skim coat over this. I'll skip this and hit this. These body lines, a little concerning to me. I've always had you know, spent a lot of time detailing the body lines that I work on, because this is probably the most difficult stage of body work for me. This is like a rounded body line. Looks like it's still low here, so I'll have to create this, and then over here too. This metal showed here, and it was starting to show, you know, it would have showed here, so that's where I stopped. So I'm gonna just plop a little bit around here and let the guide coat do the talking. These were two separate dings. It looks like it's still a little low in the middle of them. I got metal here, I got metal around here, so, and still guide coat here. So put a little skim coat there. This one turned out good, needed a minuscule amount of filler. Coming around, I actually missed the hood dent that I knew about altogether. And then another body line issue is here. So guide coat stuck all around here when I had the 30-inch block, you know, from corner to corner. So I'm gonna do a nice skim coat here, and then I'm gonna do I'm gonna probably take filler like this and just kind of create what I need to create, and, you know, sand off the rest